Back here with the 2014 Yamaha YZ250f. We got her all pressure washed. Looks 1,000 times better. And for now we're just going to take all the pieces and parts off and see what's wrong, see what we can replace, go from there. This is why you always check the air filter when you are looking at the bike.
Thing smoking. You must be out of your goddamn mind.
Yo.
So now that you've got your little screen filter cleaned off, one thing to just keep an eye on is the little tiny O-ring right there at the right there. Just make sure that's in decent condition. If so, go ahead and push that back in there. Then we head back to the right side of the bike. Engine oil filter right in there. 8mm on the little bolts. Obviously, if you got the filter, put it back in there and then toss this cap back on. Here's what I use, if anybody cares, Yamaha 1040. Oil capacities for this. With no filter change, it's 710 cc's. With filter change, it is 730. So, I got my little ratio right cup here. Maxes out at 500 cc's. So we will toss 500 in there. So another 230, or just about. With all the plastics, I am going to try to peel the graphics off, see what kind of condition everything's in. This rear fender, nothing wrong with it at all. I'm just going to go ahead and use my heat gun here, see if I can peel the graphics off, see if we can clean it up, because at the very least, we're going to put stock graphics back on there, because, you know, not everybody likes to be sponsored by a bunch of people that they don't know. Bam. So I'm gonna run into the house, clean up all the other plastics, check them out. All right, we're back in the house and we got the fire rolling. So it's nice and toasty in here compared to that little shed. We're gonna work on getting all these graphics off. Basically, method. All you need a little bit of heat from the heat gun, and everything comes off really nice. So let's be doing that, and then I am also going to try to use the heat gun and try to mold these. This one's pretty stretched, and this one isn't too bad.